Yeah. Part 2 here, okay? Welcome to the part 2.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess Venu's pizza is ready. It's quite ready. You can come and have a look at it.
Yeah.
This is our quality, not like the Americans. It's the UK style. There's some standard in when you compare it with the US people and the UK people.
Because it's a part of Europe.
Well,
The
the best part of it is that it looks like a pizza.
Yeah. You did it well.
See,
And in part 1, this is our topping. You can have,
Hope it tastes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You start.
Speak. Speak on camera.
Yeah, we are starting now our stuff, our pizza. It's here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. What? What?
बंद करो यार.
Okay. Well, Venu, let's.
Yeah. My pizza is done.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'm
Mhm.
gonna take it and keep it on my plate
Right.
and just wait for a couple of minutes.
Mm-hmm.
If these guys are done,
Mm-hmm.
then I'll join with them, or else I need to eat first.
Right.
Yeah.
Otherwise it will become thanda,
Yeah, 100%.
What?
Yeah.
We cannot eat cold food over
And,
here.
the maximum limit is 3 minutes, I believe. It's not, we shouldn't go more than 3 minutes.
Right.
Don't come here. There's
What?
something quite personal here, okay?
What are you doing with it?
No, not there.
What is it?
No,
What?
my friend. Try
Yeah,
to
you
eat that.
Okay, fine. So. No, it's all right.
Yeah. I just want to keep the tray inside the. Oh.
Okay, so
Can you help me?
tell that you'll come in the next part.
Okay, we're going back
Next
part
part
two.
with the non-veg pizza.
Yeah, part 2, B, okay?